make you think honky-tonk tune in the old back room. Jukebox, jukebox, jukebox is making the old truck stop. An all-night hop that rocks. Doo-wop, doo-wop. I get me a two-bit gig while they check my ring. I dig that melody, so play me a honky-tonk tune. It's home sweet home to me. Swing it, sing it, sweet harmony. Tickle the 88 till the freight on the interstate is late. They're planning a swell cafe at the old highway. Truck stop, truck stop, truck stop. Instead of a greasy spoon, a brand new coffee shop. Doo-wop, doo-wop. And maybe a way out tune like Bloody Loon. But where's that melody? Just give me a honky-tonk tune. It's home sweet home to me. Swing it, sing it, sweet harmony. Tickle the 88 till the freight on the interstate is late. They're planning a swell cafe at the old highway. Truck stop, truck stop, truck stop. Instead of a greasy spoon, a brand new coffee shop. Doo-wop, doo-wop. And maybe a way out tune like Bloody Loon. But where's that melody? Just give me a honky-tonk tune. It's home sweet home to me. Just give me the old truck stop. It's home sweet home to me. Just give me the old truck stop. It's home sweet home to me. Just give me the old truck stop. It's home sweet home to me. We three will all alone, living in a memory. My echo, my shadow, and me. We three, we're not a crowd. We're not even company. My echo, my shadow, and me. What good is the moonlight, that silvery moonlight that shines above? I walk with my shadow and talk to my echo, but where is the one I love? We three will wait for you, even to eternity. My echo, my shadow, and me. We three had a chat. We're all alone. We're just living in a doggone memory. It's my echo, my shadow, and me. We three, honey, we ain't no crowd. Fact is, we ain't even company. It's my echo, my shadow, and poor little old me. What good is the moonlight, that silvery moonlight that shines above? I walk with my shadow and talk to my echo, but where is the one I love? We will wait for you, even to eternity. My echo, my shadow, and me. Your cheating heart will make you weep. You'll cry and try to sleep, but sleep won't come the whole night through. Your cheating heart will tell on you when tears come down like falling rain. You'll toss around and call my name. You walk the floor the way I do. Your cheating heart will tell on you. Your cheating heart will pine someday and call the love you threw away. The time will come when you'll be blue. Your cheating heart will tell on you. your sweet lips a little closer to the phone. Let's pretend that we're together all alone. I'll tell the man to turn the jukebox way down low, and you can tell your friend there with you you'll have to go. Whisper to me, tell me, do you love me true? Or is he holding you the way I do? Love is blind, make up your mind, I've gotta know. Should I hang up, or will you tell him he'll have to go? I can't say the words you want me to. I'm with another man. Tell me, is the answer yes or no? Darling, I will understand. Put your sweet lips a little closer to the phone. Let's pretend that we're together all alone. I'll tell the man to turn the jukebox way down low, and you can tell your friend there with you he'll have to go. I'll tell the man to turn the jukebox way down low, and you can tell your friend there with you he'll have to go. You're stepping out. Do I worry? 'Cause you've got me out. Though your kisses aren't right, do I give a bag of beans? Do I stay home every night and read my magazines? Am I frantic 'cause you've lost the spark? Is there panic when it starts turning dark? And when evening shadows creep, do I lose any sleep? Oh, you, do I worry? You can bet your life I do. Do I worry when the Iceman calls? Do I worry, honey child, if Niagara falls? Do you treat me just like dirt? You think I give a snap? Are my feelings really hurt when you're sitting in somebody else's lap? Now am I frantic 'cause you've lost the spark? Or do I panic when it starts turning dark? And when evening shadows end and you've lost a friend that needs you, do I worry? You know doggone well I do. Am I Is there honey when it starts turning dark? And when evening shadows creep, do I lose any sleep? Oh, valley, do I worry? You can bet your life I do. Losing interest in me, and it's showing. It ain't no big thing, but it's growing. The pain of heartbreak I just started knowing. It ain't no big thing, but it's growing. Every day the hurt grows bigger than it did before. But I'll pretend that I don't notice if I can hold you one day more. You've got the look of someone who is going. I can feel start to flowing. It ain't no big thing, but it's growing. You've got the look of someone who is going. If I didn't care, would I feel this way? If this isn't love, then why do I thrill? What makes my head go round and round while my heart stands still? If I didn't care, would it be the same? Would my every prayer begin and end with just your name? ever say. And if I didn't care, would I feel this way? Honey, if this isn't love, then tell me, why do I thrill so much? And what is it that makes my head go round and round, while my heart just stands still so much? If I didn't care, would it be the same? Would my every prayer begin and end with just your name? And would I be sure that this is love beyond compare? Would all this be true if I didn't care for you? Did you hear that lonesome whippoorwill? He sounds too blue to fly. The midnight train is winning low. I'm so lonesome I could cry. I've never seen a night so long, when time goes crawling by. The moon just went behind the cloud. I'm so lonesome I could cry. Did you ever see a robin weep when leaves began to die? That means he's lost the will to live. I'm so lonesome I could cry. The silence of a falling star lights up a purple sky. And so I wonder where you are. I'm so lonesome I could cry. The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train, and there to meet me is my mama and my papa. And down the road I look, and there runs me to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to meet me, arms are reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house is still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's that old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Then I awake and look around me at the gray walls that surround me, and I realize that I was only dreaming. For there's a God and there's a sad old padre. Arm in arm we'll walk at daybreak. Again I'll touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree as they lay me 'neath the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree as they lay me 'neath the green, green grass of home. I tried so hard, my dear, to show that you're my every dream. Yet you're afraid each thing I do is just some evil scheme. A memory from your lonesome past keeps us so